Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I'm so excited because my June 2020 Boxycharm Premium, I think is what this is, finally arrived in the mail and I am going to do my monthly unboxing. So I just signed up for the Boxycharm Premium box last month. It's $35 a month and I was really excited about the brands and the products that I got in my Boxycharm Premium last month. So I'm really excited to see what I got this month. But I was thinking that I'm getting my boxes a lot later this month, in the month of June, than I normally do. I'm actually still waiting on my Boxy Luxe box, which I think is supposed to deliver tomorrow. So I'll be posting an unboxing of that as soon as I get it. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on that. But I haven't gotten my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box yet. I already got my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I was thinking that it's weird that I still haven't gotten my Ipsy Glam Bag. And so I looked up the tracking and there's no tracking. I never got a notification that it had shipped. So I'm feeling nervous that that box isn't actually getting sent to me this month. But if it does, I'll be doing my unboxing video of that as well. I'm sorry I'm being super rambly getting into this, but like I said, this is a $35 a month beauty subscription box and it changes for your beauty preferences. So not everyone gets the same box. So let me show you what I got in my box. Oh, like it's not telling me if it's the premium box or not. So yes, Boxycharm Premium. And I was thinking that it was weird I didn't get a product information card in my email, but I have product information on the card here, which I am so excited about. However, Ipsy didn't give product information on any of their cards, so I really like that Boxycharm is still doing that. And this seems like a very full box here. Let me go ahead and I need to just pull out this because I just got a sneak peek and I am so excited. This is from Too Faced. I absolutely love the brand Too Faced. This is the Cocoa Contour, Cocoa Infused Contouring and Highlighting Palette. What? Oh my gosh, this is heavy. You got a whole how-to guide. I love that. But oh my gosh, is this not the most beautiful, regal packaging? It has a little heart clasp here. The moment of truth. Oh my gosh, it even looks like chocolate bars. This is adorable. And it smells like chocolate. That's amazing. Wow, so then it's even labeled light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight, light contour, medium contour, deep contour. I can't wait to try this out. So I will definitely be trying this out in a full detailed review video. So I have a series on my channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I will be trying out all of the makeup products that I get in my Boxycharm box and all of my beauty subscription services this month in those full dedicated review videos. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed so that you get to see those reviews. And then I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial using all of the products that I get in my Boxycharm boxes. And then I'll also be doing one for Ipsy if, fingers crossed, I get my Glam Bag Ultimate. If not, I do not have even close to enough products to do a full face. But I love doing those full face makeup tutorials because then it's a great way for me to update you on how I've been liking the products throughout the month. But so the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette retails for $44. So I am going to add up all of my retail value to let you know what it comes out to for my $35 Boxycharm box. But that first product I pulled out is already way above the price of my Boxycharm Premium. Next up, Skin & Co. Roma. I recognize this brand. I can't think right now what product I used that's from this brand, but this is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel with notes of Sardinian, myrtle, lemongrass, and orange. But this is so funny. It's like Boxycharm read my mind, because the other day I was using my Sol de Janeiro shower gel, which I love, but I was like, this is almost gone and I don't have a shower gel to switch to afterwards, but now I do. This is perfect. It does smell very fresh and nice. So normally I wouldn't really want skincare products like this. Ooh, it seems like it's leaking a little bit. Be careful. But since I do need a new shower gel, I am excited. And this retails for $22. To me, that's expensive for a shower gel bottle like this. Ooh, this is from Glow Recipe. It's the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I love the brand Glow Recipe, and I have heard good things about this avocado mask. And I actually use a sleeping mask every night as part of my skincare routine. I know I've been meaning to do a morning and night skincare routine video for a while. If you're still interested in seeing that, let me know, because I'd love to show you what I do. I have a pretty intense, I guess I'd say, skincare routine, especially at night. Oh my gosh. The packaging on this is so cute, and it is heavy. This is glass. Here's what that looks like. I mean, I'm sure you're probably familiar with it. Also, I love avocados. Ooh, this has a strong scent right away. It doesn't smell like avocados, really, I'd say. It smells a little bit more fruity than that, but yay, I am excited for that. I really like the watermelon sleeping mask, but I have not tried out this avocado one. Wow, the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask retails for $49. Pretty pricey sleeping mask, in my opinion. Next up, I have a brush. Now, I'm not too crazy about getting brushes in my boxes anymore, because I just feel like I have too many. I'd rather get even a skincare product rather than a brush, but this looks nice. This is from Billion Dollar Brows. It's the Sculpting Duo Brush. Wow, $30 for this brush. I truly would not guess that this is $30 because it doesn't even feel expensive. It feels like plastic. It does feel soft, but $30, wow. So it's like a contour to get the cheeks and then highlight. I mean, I'll use it, but like I said, I prefer something else. Next up, I have, well, this is from the brand Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear. Oh, so maybe this is like an eyeshadow primer? Yeah, eye primer to intensify eyeshadows, prevent creasing. This retails for $12, and I'm actually excited about this because I have a lot of creases in my eyelids, so I use an eyeshadow primer pretty much every single time I wear eyeshadow, and so I will definitely try this out. I love the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, but that one is expensive. This one is half the price, so hopefully I like it. I'll also be showing this in an upcoming review video. I'll try it out with eyeshadow so that we can really see the effect that it has. And then the last product that I have here is from Kat Von D Inkwell Liner. I got the Inkwell Liner last month, but I got it in the pink shade. This month I got it in matte black. Wow, that's a bummer because I already got this. Also, I'm not excited to get liquid eyeliners anymore, especially black liquid eyeliners, because I'm always getting black liquid eyeliners in my box. And I was not even a big fan of this when I tried it out last month. I can have that review video linked in the description down below if you want to see it, if you're curious. Yeah, this is the KVD Vegan Beauty, which, yeah, I thought that they had a rebranding, but it actually says Kat Von D on the packaging here. And then on here it says KVD. So makes it seem like I got an old product. But Inkwell Longwear Matte Eyeliner, and this retails for $20. I'm kind of committed to always trying out my makeup products that I get in those full dedicated review videos, but this is a product that I'm like, maybe I should just skip it because I've already tried this out in a different color. We'll see how I feel. Maybe I'll try this out in a dedicated video. Let me know in the comments down below if you would even be interested in seeing that, because if not, I would probably just gift this, donate it, because that way I wouldn't use it. But just let me know if you want to see a video on it. But so that is everything I got. I have to say I was a lot more excited about my Boxycharm premium box last month. I can have last month's unboxing of my May 2020 Boxycharm premium box linked in the description down below if you want to see what I got. But I was more excited about those products and really excited about the brands because they were brands that I had never tried before that I was finally getting to try out. So fingers crossed that I'm really excited about the products I get in my Boxy Luxe box this month. I can't wait to get that. But all in all, I'm not disappointed in these products, but I would have liked to trade out 2 of these products for something else. I also don't remember if I chose a product. I think I'm really bad at choosing my products for Boxycharm because I don't remember choosing any of these products for my box. Well, let me tell you the total retail value. So I got $147 worth of products that I paid $35 for. So that makes me feel really good about it. But let me do a quick recap of everything I got. So the 2 products I'm not super psyched about. The Billion Dollar Brows Sculpting Duo Brush, the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner in black. So those 2, I want to tell Boxycharm that I don't want these types of products. But then the other products I got are the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte, the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So really excited about this. Really excited about the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I'll use my Billion Dollar Brows brush with this palette, so that'll be some good way of trying it out. And I got the Skin & Co. Roma Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. So this will go to good use because I need a new shower gel. So those are all of the products I got in my June 2020 Boxycharm Premium Box. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these products. Let me know your thoughts on them. Also, I would love to hear what you got in your June 2020 Boxycharm Premium Box. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you in my next video.